I'm Amarilis and today we will make mushroom ornaments. To make this DIY you will need yarn, wine cork and cardboard. The mushroom cap is made by a half pompon. You can use a 5.5 cm pompon maker. If you don't have one, you can just cut the shapes out of a cardboard piece. Wrap the yarn around the pompon maker. Wrap enough yarn around the pompon maker to have a nice and chunky mushroom cap. Cut an extra piece of yarn to hold the half pompon together. Pass it around the pompon maker. Then cut the yarn you wrapped around the pompon maker following the curve. It's a little tricky because you only have half pompon, so be careful that the yarn pieces do not fall apart. And as you can see, having a sharp pair of scissors is really helpful. Wrap the extra piece of yarn around the half pompon and tie a knot. Use the length of the yarn to make a loop so you can easily hang your mushroom ornaments on the tree. Set the pompon aside while crafting the mushroom stalk. Grab a cardboard board. Here I will use a box of lasagna. Cereal boxes will work great too. Open it flat and use the pompon maker to report a circle on the cardboard. Cut out the circle shape. Glue a wine cork on the center of the circle to make the mushroom stalk. And here you can see that you just made the second part of the mushroom ornament. And now cover the base of the mushroom with some acrylic paint. You can use any color you like. I did apply 2 coats of paint to have a nice coverage. Once the paint is dry, you will have to glue the mushroom stalk with the cap. Apply a nice coat of glue on the mushroom base and press it on the bottom of the pompon. And now it's time to trim the yarn to give the mushroom its nice shape. And this is how the mushroom ornament look like. This step is optional, but I wanted to add some little dot on the mushroom. So I use a hole puncher to make a paper circle in a white paper sheet. And I glue the paper dot on top of the mushroom one by one, so it took a little time, but it's a nice finish touch for your mushroom ornament. Have fun trying different yarn colors. It's the perfect craft to use your yarn leftovers. Have fun crafting. Please like and follow my channel for more DIY and craft ideas.